All right, this is Unit 4. This is question 6 right here. If you notice, this is about sports. It says below is a table showing the number of students signed up for lacrosse after school in each age group. So you see the top one is the X values, it's the ages, and lacrosse players, the actual number that's signed up under those ages are there. So I'm going to go to, and I'm going to input these into our Desmo activity. All right, so I'm right here at Desmos, and so I'm going to input a table. All right, and so I'm going to go ahead and put the data in for the table. All right, and then I'll put the Y values in. All right, up here, I'm going to go ahead and since remember, these are X1 and Y1, so I get to label these X1 and Y1. So I'm going to say Y and put a 1 and put the little, what I call as a similar sign, which is over to the left of your number 1 on your keyboard. So you hit Shift and that. Then I'm going to put X with the little 1. So we got to put this M, put M, that's my slope, and then X with a little 1, and then put plus B. All right, well, here it is. This is our strength. And if you look, you can't see any dots because it's notice the table goes to 5, 10, 15. And so my X value starts at 13. So I'm actually going to shift it. And now there's all my dots made a little smaller. All right, so you can see all the dots, and this is the line of best fit. It goes through. It's about the average of where all the dots would meet. All right, and so this is the strength of it. If you look, it says negative, so it's a negative line, so it's going down, and it's 0.5, 55.4. So it's a negative, which means going down, negative, weak, let's say slightly weak correlation. All right. Now, what's my equation? Well, my equation is y equals mx, and I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. I'll scroll down a little bit. I'll put it right here. So my equation is actually going to be y equals negative 1.5x, and then my b value is 34.1. All right, now the question says, what is the age if there are 20 lacrosse players? So they want to know what are the ages if you're going to have 20 lacrosse players. All right, so that means I can put 20 in for here. We can try to do this and see what our X value is. All right, so it doesn't give it to us. All right, so we can try this. We can say 20 is right here, use the table here. And it looks like, and I'm going to put my little cursor right here. Now, I think this is probably the best way to try to use data, but sometimes you can put data in the table. But if you go to lacrosse, which is your Y value at 20, it's right here. I'm going to take my little cursor, click on it, and it looks like about 9 years old. And so I would say the age of 9 years old would give me about 20. All right, so we would probably estimate that the 20 kids is going to be about 9, really around 9.3, but we'll say 9. All right, and that's how you do that one right there.